Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Subscribe. Guys, I'm very late with this video. Sorry about that because of the rain. I don't know my thing on outdoor cooking already. Yeah. Right now, I'm there on the work and I decided to I have to shoot a video today. Find the job. You see me? So luckily, me and my father work and I can have time to do my thing. You see me? Yeah man, I use one stone kill two birds. Yeah man, right now, I'm in Plantain. I'm going to show you what I know. I'm gonna do fried chicken with a boiled ripe plantain salad, a ripe plantain salad. I'm gonna show you my ingredients now. No man, it's 12 pull, the lock. Yeah. Alright guys, so pack this right. And then cooking oil, butter, mayonnaise, salt, and you can see it's not this, knife, water, my chicken and my two go the plate. See there, so everything here, the Plantain here guys, garlic, pepper, and everything like this, right? Yeah man, and the coal stove. I don't know. Oh, I'm cool. Pub soap. Yeah man, so that's everything I used to do guys at the end of the video. The oil here guys, use already one time. I don't know, say in Jamaica when I'm fried chicken, we'll just reuse the oil. I'm fried chicken last night, somebody decided to say, here we go on. Natural oil, you know, so I have to use it back. Yeah man. So get started right now guys. Right now. I'll get started. So guys, brand new naps, you know guys, never use it. Never use it, I'm gonna pull it and look at it. Yeah man guys, so we'll get the Plantain wash off and the knife wash off. As you can see for you there, hope the camera angle correct. Right? And some water here, so go up here so. If you cut it up guys, they boil it. Cut it so you cook faster and easier to mash out. Yeah man guys, so throwing salt in that now. So when it's cut a little bit, it's 20 pot. You know, you can catch already still, but catch some more. Make sure say guys when you like the video and continue to share the video. You can also follow me on Instagram too guys, because before I post on YouTube, I always post a snippet on IG. So who follow me on IG can see what I'm going before you post on YouTube to just do right man. I'm put in pot now. Yeah man. Yeah man. So when time the Plantain done boil guys, I'm checking back with you know. And I'm showing some chicken already seasoned up on yesterday. Oh, see it over here so. Yeah man, chicken wrap up. Now this. Already seasoned from yesterday, you know? Yeah man. Season with the Maggi seasoning, my special jerk. I also blend scallion, thyme, garlic, and pepper, and onion, and chop on it. So that must be well nice. Enough East Indian pantry. The tree full of East Indian. They may fit guys, so by next week, the week after, we have enough ripe mango down here, so but I need not come back down here to them time there. See there? So one, that tree over here, so two, three. Focus camera, focus. Yeah man, enough mango pantry here. Enough. So guys, man, check get some goodies here guys. I'm gonna check this I know. Cook some more guys. Cook some more. That is it. And some Edmond here. Don't know. Yeah man. Alright guys, so it's not done cook by now, so I'll take off this. Put them on the plate. Yeah man guys, so see, pot going on fire. And see what's going on here now. So basically just the butter and the mayonnaise I use. Now I put too much in it yet. Cause first time I have to do this now guys. First time I try it. So leave it in the comments and tell me what you guys think about this and what it tastes like. Comment below and tell me if you have tried before and all that. The pepper. Get it wash off. And the garlic them. Guys, when I use enough pepper and garlic in the oil, can use it back. Just finish mash out this. Alright guys, so we'll go on here. So I rest this in here so for a bit. Leave the chicken I know. Yeah, I lot. Can train chicken I know. Alright guys, so flour time now. Train some season. Now the flour. Mix out it. We shouldn't smell this right now. Yeah man, so I'm throwing chicken I know. Guys, at the first time I buy chicken from cold, you know. So this is going to be a challenge for me. Yeah, man. That's the reason why I'm carry this. No idea. Take off the pot. Ice it. That is it. Put them kick over. So I'm going to take off my coal, guys. To fry too fast and find something to ice it more. Guys, we put a block right here so and shift the pot from the fire, so hopefully this work. Nice Saturday evening, guys, you know. Yeah, it's a very nice day. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take out chicken in now. I could have done better, but when I use the fried chicken pan coal. So how me look now? Come me tell me look. So a tasting time now. Yeah man guys, so I try the food now. Yeah man. I not eat much though because belly kinda full. Cause I come bare bags food, so belly kinda full. See me, even don't eat a bags food yet. That is it. So taste what I'm gonna feed. Well, I'm going to eat the box food and eat it for that plate there. Yeah man guys, so see me here. I'm getting the box food. I'm showing everything in the night, not found. As me say, I could have done better. You can fried chicken will look way better than this. But upon the stove though. I'm not really used to frying chicken and wood fire and pan coal and everything there, see me? You see stove, you know, so you can turn it on and all that. The coal is a bit harder to handle. So first thing I'm gonna try are the plantain. You can take a little bit more of the mayonnaise though. I never want to put too much in it and then I don't like it because I'm a person like this. I don't really like too much mayonnaise. Like some people have put the mayonnaise on bread and eat it. Not me. It's bad. So guys, eat the chicken now. Well seasoned. You can taste it's very well seasoned and all the flavors them very nice. Even though it's a bit brown, you know, dry out and too dry, it's still juicy.